25 তারিখও দিল্লি রওনার বেখা তাই মনে প্রদ্যুৎ কিশোর মানিক্য দেববর্মন সিনি তংরুখা তাবুংনি যে এগ্রিমেন্ট ত্রিপুরাল্যান্ড স্টেট नि ग्रेटर ত্রিপুরাল্যান্ড ফানো হিন্দি ত্রিপুরাল্যান্ড ফানো হিন্দি গরৈ দুই তারিখ মার্চ 2024 উঠাই বাইখাতা কারণ আরো এগ্রিমেন্টের সুযোগ দङ ত্রিপুরাল্যান্ড স্টেট नि ডিমান্ড গরিयै কোনো সংগঠন কোনো অর্গানাইজেশন বাই এগ্রিমেন্ট নরক যে সামানি তাবো সুমানি তা আবং গিতামো যে রিজনাল পার্টি খাইनानै आगायखा त्रिपुराबो त्रिपुरा सारकनि फान्डामेन्टल जे डिमान्ड दंमोन बरकनि थांगै जानानै हामै जानानै इंरेजी बाय सार्वाइवल एंड एक्जिस्टेंस नि बागै कायसा बाय थांनि हाफसे मानियासा जरा त्रिपुराबो रिजनल पार्टी नि रल दङ तामनायबा नेशनल पार्टी दङै बीजेपी फानंथं कांग्रेस फानंथं कांग्रेस हिनमानिका आईएनसी इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस फानंथं सीपीआईएम फानंथं ताई बेबाग जे नेशनल पार्टी दंमानि नेशनल पार्टी नि बिसिंथि क्लायै जों सिनि मानथाय सप्तायनो खरांथि सावैबाय आबुनि बागै रिजनल पार्टी त्रिपुराबो त्रिपुरासा बसंनि बागै बसं हिमांके रेस नेशन जोंथ' कायसा रेस नेशन दंमानि दफा अंकै बसंनि बेदेक्सि आमाबाय जों बाक्सा त्रिपुरासा दफा नो त्रिपुरासा दफाया त्रिपुरासा बसंसे गाबोन बागै किसा सुक्रुइ मासाका त्रिपुरासा बसंनि हामग्रायनि बागै त्रिपुरासा बसंनि सार्वाइवल एक्जिस्टेंस नि बिनि प्रविशन नि आसा जरा त्रिपुराबो रिजनल पार्टी नि सामुं थाइथाय तामुं तांथाय जत तंनाय अवश्य कखनाका आबो ब दाम हनै साका आं सालमिया ताबुरम दे दशरथ देवनि नेतृत्वे गोजाम मुख्यमंत्री दंमानि उरो गोजाम मुख्यमंत्री गाबोन सागां तबो 25 तारिखआव
যতন লামসব হাইনা হাই তিনিনি দিন তৈ হামবাই তৈ সিবাই তৈ খাখায়া যতন কাহামলা তংবাই হানাই আনি খাজানি তাকক তৈ বহক সং নরনি বসকাঙ্গ তিনি মা ফাইমানি হিকে হাইছে কাইসা নুগুই তংমানি সিনি বরম গনাং সারচি তরঞ্জন দেববর্মা নরক তো নুগুইনো তংখনা আবনো তৈ কিসিসা কক সালাইনাই কক গাহাইছে খাজানি তাকতে বহসং তিনি সিনি সার চিত্তরঞ্জন দেববর্মা তিনি ববাগ্রানি যে সাইন त्रिपुरासा एकट सिगनेचार मानि जागाव তিনি ग्रेटर त्रिपुरालैंड करी हिनी जे साइ दंमानि आमो नरकले बाहाय इंजाक कमेन्ट्स साहारदि आंखाय मा होनो तिनी जुदि सेनो सिनि त्रिपुरासा एकट साइनंमा जागाव ग्रेटर त्रिपुरालैंड करी इंगै दंखा आंखाय आइगिनि सिमिनो सार चित्तरंजन देबबर्मानो आं सानामो संगो नों साका हांखाय आकगनो सिनि त्रिपुरासा रकबो तेकिसा दाक्ति सावै मांखामो हांखाय तिनि नों तामांगै हठात साख्लायै तिनि आकगनो सानानै नांखा ते ताबुकसो साइमानो जे गरै आजागाव तंगैदा दंना ग्रैदा नों तामो हनि साइ दंखा आबोथ जत सिनि खाजानि ताकते बहकसं सारा त्रिपुराव तंनाय सिनि त्रिपुरा सारकसो साइमानाय नों कि कबैदासा ना एरेंदासा इंके आं सानामो संमाका हाइसे takok tei bohok song
Tiprasa bosongni
tini norokle bahai ma tong je bubagra samung khlai tong mani tabuk suk jorao
dofa angkai
norok kaham de ma tong na sini bobishot ni bagai sini Tripura rok ni bagai kaham de khlai thangnani haiki de nong bukhaw ma tong norok comment so sahadi tebo baskanga video khlai manani bagai
bosongni hamreni bagoi
engke kok engka haise soi soi tini
bini provision
kubuino sini sar Sitaranjan Debarma tini Tripura ekoto Greater Triplaland kri ingui tongkha angkai tini sini bubagrale sawi tongkha blasa je jara je Greater Triplaland kri hini sanai borokno action naharnai hini tini sawi tongo aboni mangpli norok nang phrongnai norok nai tongdi first simi paithak jara engke tini nung hingka angke sawi tongkha Greater Triplaland kri tei bubagra hangkai sawi tongkha jara Greater Triplaland kri hini sanai no action nahajangnai hinai engke tini khajani takok tei bohok song sung sabono tabuk romi mannai haya diba hangkai bubagra tamo hini saka Greater Triplaland kri ingmanatoi nor kisisa naini di aboni mangpli no.
Regarding his statement, I think I'll deal with him at a different level, not through the media. As today you can ask any of my people, I have not given up my demand for Greater Triplaland. And I think there are processes in the party. And if someone has made a statement like this, I'm not aware that he has made a statement. If he has, then we will talk to him and we'll probably bring it to his knowledge that we have not given up a demand for Greater Triplaland or Article 2 and 3. It is very clear, and even today I've articulated that to him.
And made way for BJP.
No, you can't make way for BJP. BJP did not come to power in Delhi because of Tipra Motha. BJP came to power in Delhi because the opposition could not defeat the BJP in Uttar Pradesh, could not defeat them in Delhi, could not defeat them in Madhya Pradesh, in Gujarat. They got a lot of seats in Assam. It is not because of Tipra Motha that BJP is in power in center. And that MLA himself understands that we have to talk to all the party, whichever is in center, because our demand can be only fulfilled by the central party. If tomorrow Congress is in power, I'll talk to them. So my point is, Tipra Motha cannot bring Congress to power, and Tipra Motha cannot claim to take the credit of bringing BJP to power in Delhi. And we have to talk to whoever is in power in Delhi to get a constitutional rights.
Thanks.
It is very important that our people know what are the talks which are happening and which are the agendas. So I put it across to my party members, especially at the block and district level. Second thing is, we have also distributed membership forms today, and I have also said that we have to understand one thing, that agar batoge to katoge. So we want, if we divide ourselves today, we'll get nothing. So today was also a talk to all my grassroots workers to understand how we should be working in the build-up towards a better tomorrow for our people. Elections will come and go, but our commitment to our people and our community must be paramount. And that is something which I wanted to ensure to my people.
As you earlier also said, the second round of talks are very close.
Very close.
So what can we expect?
We expect that there will be a full-fledged presentation by the TT-ADC to the Home Ministry. We expect the state government to send its 2 representatives. I myself, Mr. Rangwal also will be there, and it should happen by the by the end of November. We are expected that we will be called for this talk. I've had a word with Mr. Mishra, and he has said that after the 16th or 20th, he will be fixing a date for us to come and discuss this in Delhi.
Any timeline for this talks to complete?
See, it depends. If I today say everything is all right, then we will get something. But if we have to ask something which is concrete, if we have to keep persevering, and we have to also see how the state government is looking at a demand. If all 3 are in harmony, I don't see why we can't have a quick resolution. But if one side sticks to its demand and does not agree to the other, then there may be some bottlenecks which will take time and maturity to negotiate.
Sir, recently you have called for an thanks. Always it was your thing to call the IPFT had said that they are waiting for the dates to be declared. After that, they will think about coming together. This recent CWC, their central committee meeting was there. Today, the BJP president had also said that since we are in the alliance, we will try to fight this election together because we have got good result in the parliamentary election. So what is your view on that?
My view is that we should all agree that development of the indigenous people and certain issues like land rights, constitutional rights, and political and economic rights have to be agreed upon before we can come to any understanding. IPFT and Tripura Motha have no problem because more or less our demands, what we have been raising in memorandum, in writing, in our speeches is almost the same. Regarding BJP, if they are willing to support our demand, I don't see any reason why they should not come. Even Congress, if they are willing to support our demand, why should we object to them also? Our fight is not against any party. Our fight is for the empowerment of our community, and we will do that.
Recently, an incident about rigging had taken place. Though the government is looking into, how do you see? What is your message?
I don't agree with ragging of any sort, but I do believe that if the punishment is very harsh, then it should be reconsidered. I'll meet the principal. I'll try to find out. I've met the parents of the people whose children have been pulled up for the ragging, and I'll meet the principal and understand what is their side of the story. Whatever it is, I don't think anyone should be punished so harshly either ways so that their careers are destroyed. If people have expressed remorse and apologized, then penalty should be put across, and if the ragging is not so harsh, then we have to differentiate between ragging where people are physically hurt when they are mentally targeted, or when there is a harmless banter which takes place. So we have to realize that there is a big difference between that, and I will meet the principal and I'll listen to his point of view. I've heard the parents' point of view, and I'll try to bring some sort of a resolution so that careers are not affected either ways.
Sir, you have been out of the state meeting the students and other youths of the region. So what is their view about present Tripura and any scope they want to return back? The situation is still, employment has been created. What is their view about?
I think people of Tripura who are studying outside realize that their career is better off outside than in Tripura. That's the reason people are going. And there are a lot of talented boys and girls who are studying very well. They are very enterprising. But we don't seem to have a policy where we can absorb them or give them a career to become entrepreneurs or to build up the skill level. And I see a lot of frustration in them. I meet them because it's very important for me to also articulate that what I'm trying to do for them, and it's very important for me also to listen to what they are trying to, what they're thinking is, what is in their heart. So I think if we can meet our youngsters halfway, we will only do service to our country and to our state. They are the future of our state, and if they feel frustrated and if they feel that they are not being heard, then we are doing injustice to our next generation. So that's the reason I go out and meet them and I engage with them. I also learn something, they also learn something from me, and that way we all actually increase each other's knowledge.
And the last question, sir, when you say we have to keep patience to get the fruits, particularly these talks going on, one of your MLA recently we have seen, he have raised question about the number of seats that Tripura Motha has diverted from its own demand, that is the Greater Tripura Land, and that you have made wait for BJP to win this election on particularly Chittaranjan Burma had.
Tabuk suk jarao sini Tripura ni bagai je Tripura ekot je 6 পত্র অংলাই মানি তিনি কগ্ন সানানি থাঙ্কা হাঙ্কাই তিনি তাবুক সুক জারাও কোনো মুংসাপানো সাজাগিয়াকো বা খুকলাইজাগিয়াকো হে দিব্বা খাজানি তাহকতে ভুকসং তিনি সিনি Tripura sarangno ki thungui da tongkha naki tamongui tongkha sung jotono sawai mano tabon dino kebo asuk siya krikha sini borogo jotono tabo sibaika hangkai sung tini sana musungma kai haise sini je Triprasa ekot signing mani amo tamungui tabuk jarao manya angna nang sini bokao sungmung kai haya diba khajani takukte buksong tini baksa ba je sai tongka bubagrani tini Triprasa ni bagai je ekot signing mani amo tabuk jarao biko tabuk jarao kuno kubo kuklai jaiga ko tei sabo sajaga ko Triprasa ekot signing bagai hinai sung jotono salayo tei hinlayo he diba hangke tini sana thangka hangkai khajani takukte buksong chini bubagra bo samung nongno jotono sawino phunukna ba khlaino phunukna je Triprasa ekot signing mani he diba aboni pura proof bo nongno phunukna hangke jong nugui no mangkha tini sana musungma ka haise bubagra no simi jara hamya hinai sanai rok hayako khajani takukte buksong tamni hingke nang tini jara je Triprasa ekot signature khlai rwnai hinai sanai rok tini sini ekot tini joto kisu sungno je nangmani sini Triprasa ni bagai rwnai hinai sanai rok le saboba amo bubagra yablei bubagra angkha boma haike tubunai abono se saitogui tini omsuk jora Triprasa ekot sign jorao bo tini tubui mangkha haya diba hingke tabuk sung sanani thangka hangkai tini sini bubagra no je rwnai borok se tini riya wngui tongkha hangkai sungle bubagra hangka hangkai bo jaganle tubui rok hainaba tini kebo borok munisu buui togui tubui manja sung sana thangka hangkai naidi kwbangma party hindi jekono hindi asuk bosor 25 bosor 30 bosor chawi phaika haya diba agi to bubagra phaya kuno hingkai afru rogo sini borok ni bagai ba sini Triprasa ni bagai kuno kaisa kebo montri chakha MLA chakha kebo kaisa mo haike sini Triprasa ni hamgra ni bagai kebo kaisa kuno kaisa tuida mangkha phunugui manya khona bole hingke tini sini bubagra le sini Triprasa ekot sign hinai kaisa proof le bo tini suno phunuka tei phunukmani bisingo se tini sini borok rok hingkai tamani sai tongkha biko nini Triprasa ekot sign bufru mannai hinai honlai tongkha bufru mannai abo tabuk bubagra bo sawi manja bahai saimanai do norok saikhnare di comments sahadi khajani takukte buksong norok no sahadi norok no saiman tongo bahai bo sawi mannai nang tini bui togui tujangnai amo hai samung ya bole abo haya diba tini kol khe tunani bagui se bo tini saitogui ma tongo khajani takukte buksong sung bolai toklai abono tui manja hingke tebo sana musungma ka haise tini 17 tariko haina hai bubagra no ringchaka hinai je awaimung ba jotono honlai tongkha hingkai baksa ba sai tongkha Triprasa ekot ni bagai baksa ba sai tongkha bwskango election ni bagai kok sablainani hinai haya diba hingke tini judicial sini Triprasa ekot ni bagai wngyawi ba bwskangni election ni bagai vote ni bagai borok judicial rihin wukha hingka hangkai amo norok no saimansidi tini bubagra no thokai tongkha hinai hingke amo ba tmani bubagra ni sayangna ba bubagra no thungjagui tongmani abos norok wansukdi tini suini se pano dam kwrui omo haike thungjagui tongo tamoni hingke phaidi hingke ma thango gari bara borok durudari riya saimanya tini nijini gari bara ba nijini rang kharos khaino thangui tong bole Hingke bo tini asamno khlaioi bini rang se chabaya bini maso se norok saima kana bwse income pai hingke bo tini ki nini bagui oro haike kosto khlai tongna dana khamba aboni bagui no swng jotono uansukna nango khajani dakhukte bukhukjong baksa baksa bo bujiana aboni bagui tirprasa hamkrai hinile nailaio pia chair seklaima se jai sini borok asuk dini wngui phakya kebo kaisa pano mohai kaisa sini tirprasa ni hamkrai ni bagui kunu kaisa tubui manjak khajani dakhukte bukhukjong aboni bagui no jotono no ang sanamo sungo tei sawinai man tongkhana baksa ba buba garana ham kaham hano baksa ba hamya hano abo to thik rei sini borok je sungsar dunia angkha mohai kaham bo tongnai hamya bo tongnai aboni bagui swng jotono thansa wngui tongnani nango thansa wngnani se chai tongna nango hingke tini asung situng jotono no hambai.